Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download mods for Miside. Make sure to watch until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Alright, let's begin. We'll use the super handy Miside mod install. It auto-installs everything you need, no manual setup required. First, download it from this specific website. Next, unzip the archive, then run the executable file. The archive password is 369411. You might need to disable your antivirus temporarily. In the menu, select option 1 to install Bpin X and Universal Asset Setup. The game will open briefly during installation and then close. Once everything's installed, you can add a custom pack I made. It's got over 200 models for Mida. You'll definitely find one you like. To install it, select option 2 in the program. Wait a bit, then launch the game. And your mods have been installed and you can now enjoy the game. And that's it, you are done.